This is the 2D line. When we drag it up into the scene tree and click on the icon, we can go into the properties editor in the upper right. We have a Use LOD, enable outline, a width, and the point values down here. The point values is where we're going to enter our numerical information to build this 2D line. And what it needs is a set of coordinates, X and Y, and we'll start with the X coordinate starting at 0. Here's our first Y coordinate, 0. We'll hit colon, and then we enter the second set of coordinates. We'll go 130, colon, and then for our third set of coordinates here. And then when we type this in, you can see that our 2D line is now building. So we have our first set of coordinates here at 0, 0. Our second set is at 130 for the X and Y. Our second set is 200 on the X, 40 on the Y. Now if we want to set another point here, we can go, the X value is at 300, and let's go -50 for the Y value. And you can see here how our 2D line is now taking effect. So if you want to come in and change these values, you can. So let's go -30 here, and you can see how this is changing the 2D line. So if we slide this over on the left and we want to keep adding points here, we can. So let's go up to the next point value at 400, and we can type the Y value at 100. So you can see here as we keep building here and adding these X and Y coordinates how we can build a 2D line. Now once you have your 2D line, you can further stylize it with the width here. You can go in and add a material to it to give it some color and or texture map it. Now if you want it to clear all this data, you have it clear all, and a new line will build a new line. So once you clear all, it's going to get rid of that 2D data. It does not delete the numerical values in here, so you need to do that manually if you want to get rid of them.